The pearl is gone. I didn't take your pearl, I promise. Spike took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Who said that? This is Timmy's secret cave. Oh, that's so kind of you. Oh no! Where is the pearl? Hello, my fellow teachers. Today, I'm coming to you with a mystery story. And all of the students, regardless, love mystery stories. They do. And today's mystery story is Who Took the Pearl? Let's find out. Let's go. This is a turtle. It's a turtle. And this is a pearl. It's a pearl. One morning, in the deep blue sea, Timmy the Turtle found a shiny pearl. Wow! It's beautiful! Yes, what do you think? Do you think this pearl is beautiful? I think it is. It's beautiful and shiny. It's shiny and beautiful. This is a cave. This is Timmy's secret cave. Nobody knows about this cave. This is secret. It's a secret cave. So Timmy the Turtle put the pearl in his secret cave. Yeah? So the pearl is in the secret cave. This pearl is very special. Yes, this pearl is very special. That's why Timmy decided to hide the pearl in his secret cave. Timmy swam away. Woo! Swim. This is swimming. And Timmy swam away. See the pearl? The pearl is in Timmy's secret cave. That's right. The next day, Timmy came back. Oh no! Where is the pearl? Where is it? Oh no! The pearl is gone! Where is the pearl? Where is it? Timmy looked left. This is my left, okay? This is your right, but my left. Timmy looked left. Timmy looked right. Timmy looked under a rock. This is a rock. Timmy looked under a rock. So Timmy looked left. Timmy looked right. And Timmy looked under the rock. No pearl. The pearl is gone. Who took my pearl? Who? I don't know. Who took Timmy's pearl? Do you know? Let's find out. Who took the pearl from Timmy's cave? Spike the shark, Wally the whale, Stella the starfish, Olivia the octopus, or maybe Jella the jellyfish? I don't know. Let's find out. Dum 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 dum. Spike the shark took the pearl from Timmy's cave. It was Spike the shark. And now it's a moment for you to engage your students. So you're going to sing a little tune, okay? So we're gonna go like this. Clapping works really well here because it sets the rhythm. Spike took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Spike took the pearl from Timmy's cave. You can sing it once. Your students get the rhythm and what they're supposed to sing. And now you can ask your students to join in. Okay, everybody, let's sing together. Spike took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Spike took the pearl from Timmy's cave. And did Spike take the pearl from Timmy's cave? Spike, did you take my shiny pearl? I didn't take your pearl. I promise. Okay, so Spike didn't take the pearl. Who was it then? Who took the pearl from Timmy's cave? Spike the shark? No. Wally the whale? Stella the starfish? Olivia the octopus? Or maybe Jella the jellyfish? Dum 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 dum. Jella the jellyfish took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Let's sing together. Jella took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Jella took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Jella, did you take my shiny pearl? Look, she's angry. I didn't take your pearl, I promise. She's very angry, like, Timmy, how could you? In that kind of way, right? So she does not like the fact that Timmy thinks that she took the pearl. Okay, so who took the pearl from Timmy's cave? Spike the shark? No. Jella the jellyfish? No. Wally the whale? Stella the starfish? Olivia the octopus? I don't know. Dum 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 dum. Olivia the octopus took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Look how many times we repeat the same sentences. The repetitive language is so important for retention. That way, your students are going to have these sentences drilled in their heads. I promise. Okay, let's sing together. Olivia took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Olivia took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Olivia, did you take my shiny pearl? And Olivia looks scared. I didn't take your pearl. I promise. I didn't. Okay, so Olivia didn't take the pearl, but she looks very scared. Why is she scared? Why is she scared? Okay, Jella the jellyfish was angry, and Olivia the octopus is scared. Who took the pearl from Timmy's cave? Spike the shark? No. Jella the jellyfish? No. Olivia the octopus? No. Okay, Wally the whale or Stella the starfish? Dum 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 dum. Wally the whale took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Wally took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Wally took the pearl from Timmy's cave. Wally, did you take my shiny pearl? I didn't take the... I took the pearl. Who said that? Who said that? Who? A small fish came out. She held a pearl in her fin. Fish have fins. She held a pearl in her fin. I took the pearl. I am so very sorry. Oh no. So a small fish took the pearl from Timmy's cave, and she feels very sorry. So sometimes when you present the story, there's going to be lines where characters say something. It's very good to then try to paraphrase it and then say it in a way I said about this line. So when the fish says, I took the pearl, then you can paraphrase it by saying, okay, so the fish took the pearl. And then I'm so very sorry. You can then say, the fish feels very sorry, right? Paraphrasing that way shows the language from different angles. All the animals were shocked. All the animals were shocked. Spike the shark was shocked. Jella the jellyfish was shocked. Kinda angry a bit as well. Timmy the turtle was shocked. Stella the starfish was shocked. Olivia the octopus was shocked, and Wally the whale was shocked. All the animals were shocked. What? But then, here, take it back. I know this is your pearl. Okay, so the small fish wants to give the pearl back to Timmy. That's so nice and kind. And that's what you should do. When you take something from somebody, you should always give it back. Or you should actually not even take it. But like if you do, always give it back. No. You can keep it if you like. What? Timmy? Nonsense. Okay, so Timmy doesn't want the pearl. Really? No. I can't keep it. No, this is yours. So, okay, let's summarize this. So the little fish, the small fish, wants to give the pearl back to Timmy. Timmy says, no, keep it. But the fish is like, no, I cannot keep it. This is yours. That's really good. Little fish is actually doing very well today. Yeah, right? This is very good behavior. I mean, I'm not happy that she took the pearl from Timmy's cave, but I'm very happy that she wants to give it back to Timmy. Thank you, small fish. You know what? Let's go find a pearl for you. Oh, that's a good idea. Right. Okay, so Timmy wants the little fish to have a pearl too, right? So he will help the small fish to find a pearl. That's so cool. You will help me find a pearl? Oh, that's so kind of you. And off they went. Or actually, they probably swam away, right? The end. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed today's story. You can leave a comment in the comments down below and let us know which part of the story you enjoyed the most. And if you would like to watch more stories like this, just like stay with us, subscribe to our channel, and we're definitely uploading more stories like this. And if you'd like to get that story, it's available in our Teachers Pay Teachers store. And until the next video, happy teaching!